So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to share your affiliate link with people here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and select rewards. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to go to the third option on the right that says invite friends and select that. Once you guys are here, so for example, it'll give you a promotion potentially. So in my case, $133 up to if I refer a friend. But go to the bottom right here to where it says share link. Now this is your affiliate link. So if you were to share this link, if people were to sign up for this link, which will go to the bottom right here, earn by helping others, share your unique link. First 3 friends who join you can give you a reward, get more money when they cash out, etc. So if you guys can share this affiliate link right here, which in my case is right here, you can also press edit to customize it if you want. Save it, do what you got to do. Press on share link, send it to people. If they sign up, if they start earning, if they start cashing out, you'll get rewarded because of that. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just press the green share link button right here to share the affiliate link. So pretty simple. That's how you guys can share your affiliate link here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.